Nice job, ladies. Yesterday's clips end very suddenly. Basically, just went to practice, had a really easy day. I did some hurdle drills and that was it. Did some standing long jumps. Today, I'm not sure what I'm doing, maybe shot put, I'm not sure. Yeah, let's continue on with our week, make it a good one.
Permission, because it's your confidential private medical history here that's being, you know, compromised here.
It's gonna be all over YouTube.
Did you feel that rip?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like to check. Whoa! Quite a bit, Will. But when I get there, it's not happy.
Yeah.
Right there, I can feel that a mile away. Okay, so let's move that one. Take a breath in, blow it all the way out. Stay loose though, nice and relaxed. Nice. Whoa! You're way off, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, face me on your side. Let's do this one first. That's it. And stay loose in here. We're just gonna pull those guys over.
This is gonna make YouTube right here. Yeah. A million views. Yeah. A million views. And this is bad right here, right? You feel that? Yeah. I mean, this one's medium, moderate at best. This one is super tight.
Alright, we'll hit the moderate one first. Stay loose. Look at it. Already by itself practically. And then the big daddy. Nice. Breath in. Blow it all the way out. Stay loose though. Stay loose. There you go. That's better. Feel a little traction. No guys here. Nice. You know, if you open your mouth, you can make it resonate louder.
You do that next time.
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
It's Thursday, the week went by really fast. I'm heading out to class right now. I have 2 classes today, and then I have practice at 3:30. As you guys saw, I went to the chiropractor yesterday. I brought Will with me, which you guys haven't met yet. Then I went to practice, had a really easy day. We were supposed to go to Smith College for practice, but it snowed, so we didn't go. A low-key meet coming up this weekend. I have an ice bath tonight. I'm taking it sooner than I usually do because I want to see how my body reacts to it. So normally I take it on Friday, the day before meet, but I want to see what happens if I take it on Thursday, and then we have our pre-meet, which is just warming up on Friday. Coach locked the keys in the van.
Oh, sugar honey iced tea, baby.
Come on, Isaac! Let's go, Justin!
Get two.
Hey guys, so I ran the 400 and the 60, and then I made it to the 60 finals. And let's just say that my 60 finals was trash because I felt absolutely dead and tired. But it's whatever. It's a low-key meet. We're almost done. So I'm very excited so I can eat my food. And over here we have Sam. Guys. Next is the 200 dash, and we have Lex. Come on, Tia! Lex! Haja! Deja! Alright! Deja, where you going?
Let's go, Deja!
Deja! Keep it going! She's a mile in the 3K and she's lapped everyone in the field. She's going around for her second lap on everyone. Don't wait for it, position yourself! I caught it. The fries.
How many fries are
I almost dropped my food. Sorry to everyone.
still recording?
So after the meet, came home, showered, did all that, got ready. And me and two friends, Will and Patty, went to a little town called Northampton. We went to this cute little tea place. We were having a blast. We went to this bar called the Tunnel Bar. Did lots of dancing. Then we sat down, just talked for a bit. And then things got interesting. We left the bar, got in the car. We walked by these drunk ladies and a homeless guy. One drunk friend was sitting next to the homeless guy crying. She didn't want to leave. Her friend was wrestling her to the car. The homeless guy was helping getting her in. She didn't want to go in. They slammed the car door on her leg. But that was funny. And we decided we were going to go to Insomnia Cookies before we headed back because we were hungry. On my way to Insomnia Cookies, I got pulled over for the first time and they ended up towing my car because I didn't know my registration was expired. Paid $234 in the end for them to bring my car to my house. The Uber ride from Northampton back to my house, it's not very close, so it was like $50 bucks. Definitely a memorable night. It was fun. Wrapping this up, gonna finish editing the video and upload it. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you next week.